Welcome on in, Illumineers. I'm just Jake. We are here today to unbox this Fabled Trove that we were lucky enough to get from Disney and Ravensburger, so thank you so much, team. Fabled is the latest set in Disney Lorcana and such a good one for anyone new to Disney Lorcana, or if you've been thinking, what is this thing all about, to jump on in and have a go. So we're gonna unbox this Trove today and see what's inside, because it's slightly different to what's been previously out there. Okie dokie, so first things first, we do need to rip the outer packaging open. I don't know how careful I need to be, whether or not I need to take photos of something later on. Oh, but look at that. That white box is so nice. It's got all the pictures on the side as well. Mulan, Max, Powerline, and of course Minnie and Mickey on the bottom as well. It's just such a nice box. Last time we got the Reign of Jafar, you might see it sitting down there. The red was welcomed, but this white, this is clean. A creamy rainbow, if we're gonna get technical about it. All right, let's see what goodies are inside. We of course have the very obvious thing. We have the booster packs that are inside the box right here. How many we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, that's 5? Yeah. 6, 7. We got 8 booster packs, which we will open, of course, a little bit later on. We'll put those there for now. We've got the card dividers as well. These, I believe, are supposed to be shiny this time around. So let's have a look. Oh my goodness. They are shiny. Oh, they are nice. Look at this. How nice is that? Oh, the shine. They're so, like, look at the Dumbo. There they are, all fanned out together. We got Simba, Dumbo, Mickey, Powerline, and Goofy and Max. We've got Mulan and Lilo in there. They are very nice dividers. Oh, my goodness. I am keen to use those. Okay, so the card divider is nice and shiny. Oh, I like that little addition. The shininess is nice. What else we got in here? We, of course, have the dice that you get in the Trove too, your damage counters. I love that these are multicolored. That is so nice. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Nice multicolored dice in that camera there. You might be able to see it on the overhead a little bit better. How good are they? The multicolored is so nice. It's been really cool how they've done the other dice in the Trove, kind of matching the aesthetic of the story and things like that, but just straight up multicolored is actually such a cool thing to see and fits Fabled really well. All right, last but not least is the lore counter. Oh, and once again, this one is shiny for us this time around as well. It's got the Goofy gang right up on there, ready to sing some sweet Goofy movie songs. And of course, its functionality, if you've never seen one before, is to, of course, count our lore whilst we play the game. So very handy, very cool, very cool. Huh, it's very nice. It's very nice. So the lore counter lasts of the product, but we technically do have the box itself. These boxes are great for storage solutions. If you are new to Lorcana and you are wondering, what do I get? What's maybe one of the first things I get? You cannot go wrong with grabbing a Trove, mainly because of this storage solution side of things. You have somewhere to store your cards, you've got the damage counters with it as well when you need to play, and of course the lore counter at the same time. So you'll have cards you can play with, you'll have dice you can play with, you'll have that lore counter, and from there, you know, you can add a starter deck or whatever it may be. But the Trove, you cannot go wrong with. Really great for that storage solution. I'm definitely going to be using this box to store some of my older set cards that are out of rotation now. And I look forward to freeing up some space. Okay, so that is everything that comes in a Trove, in this Fabled Trove for this set. You've got your damage dice, your lore counter, your card dividers, the box itself for storage, and of course the 8 booster packs, which we should probably open up right now and see what we get. Okay, Okay, foil queen to start with. Sisu's a good card. Play with her. That's very nice. Ooh, a Max Goof in the rare. What's behind it? Camilla in the foil. Max Goof is one of the new cards in the set as well, which is great to see. There's 33 new cards in this set. 171 are reprints. So if you've never played Lorcana before, that is why Fabled is also a great set to get into, because it's a little bit trickier to get those first 1 to 4 sets, especially the first 2. So a lot of those cards are in Fabled, which is a great chance for newcomers to catch up and get some great cards. All right, pack number 3. Let's see how we go. Oh, Strength of the Raging Fire. Great card. Also a promo at League if you can get yourself down. Very good removal card. Definitely want these ones in your play sets. Oh, Legendary Robin. I actually have not pulled this one yet. Not even in the first set. He is a great card. And that new legendary little foil on the bottom of the rarity icon. Very nice. Moana rare. Oh, another legendary. Maleficent Dragon. Great one to pull. What's behind it? Can we get a double legendary? Maybe. Oh! Epic. Look at those epic cards. I love it. That one will definitely be going in the playset, I think. What a card. This Trove is treating us well right now. Can it keep it up? Anna for the rare. Oh, Mulan for the super rare. She was legendary in the previous sets. All right, what do we got? We got a Dinner Bell. We've got a John Silver. Oh, a foiled Winnie the Pooh Honey Wizard. That is a great pull right there. What's behind it here? A Cuzco and a foil Queen of Hearts. Another great playable card. Down to the last pack. Let's see how we go. Will it have the Enchanted in it? Here we go. A Grand Puppy. A Minnie Mouse. That's one of the new cards. Can we do it? I don't know. Oh, all that hype and a little Sergeant Tibbs foil to end with. What fun. Like I said, if you're new to Lorcana and you're wondering, what do I get out of the lineup? Do I get some packs, a starter deck, maybe the Trove? What do I get for myself? Like I said, I highly recommend getting one of the Troves. They are great to have. Plenty of stuff, as you can see, that comes in them, and a great place to store all your cards as well. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you to Disney and Ravensburg once again for the Trove. If you've enjoyed yourself here today, don't forget to subscribe and like, and leave a comment below as well. Maybe you're new, wondering how to get into Lorcana yourself, or you're just so excited to open Fabled up as a new set. So let me know what cards you're chasing and what you're most excited for. Anyway, Illumineers, that is it from me. I've been Just Jake. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next video.